We still have to forge on, continue on with our preventive behaviors.
The fight against COVID-19 is far from over. Case numbers in Western New York are trending up. Good evening, everyone. We did see a drop from that one-day spike we saw earlier this week.
But some other numbers show that we are losing some of the progress we made throughout the summer. The positive test rate across Western New York today was 1.9%. That's lower than yesterday, but still higher than the 7-day average. The number of people in the hospital is at a 4.5-month high. Health officials are counting on an increase in testing to help control the spread as the colder weather comes.
That's because we want to identify everybody who is infected and put them in isolation and identify who all their close contacts are and put them in quarantine to break the chain of transmission in the community.
County leaders are also looking closely at some specific zip codes to make sure microclusters do not pop up like they have in other parts of the state.
More than 40 states and territories are now on New York's travel advisory lists. The bridges to Canada are also closed. This means you might have fewer places to travel to see loved ones for Thanksgiving. And as Jeff Rusak reports tonight, you're now being told it might be best to hold off on getting together no matter where you live.
Check it out.
You can almost smell this video, right? Turkey, all the sides, enjoying a good meal with family. COVID-19 has thrown a wrench in most 2020 plans, and Thanksgiving might be next.
Well, I am very concerned about the upcoming months.
Medical professionals are asking the public to start thinking about their Thanksgiving plans.
Each family needs to think seriously about that and make a decision based on the level of risk that they want to put themselves through.
And obviously, when you're eating and drinking, you'll be unable to wear a mask. And we all know that's the setting where getting infected with COVID is greatest.
Some things to consider before celebrating with family from out of town or out of state. Self-quarantine before meeting up for the holiday and get tested a couple of days before so you know for sure if you're carrying the virus or not. Governor Cuomo says he can't stop families from seeing one another, in-state or out of state, but he's asking people to be smart.
This Thanksgiving, the best way to say I'm thankful for you is to say I love you so much, I'm so thankful for you that I don't want to endanger you.
It's really strongly recommended that you think about this very carefully in terms of the relative risk-benefit.
So pass the turkey this Thanksgiving, but you may want to consider skipping inviting the whole extended family. Jeff Rusak, 7 Eyewitness News.